Hello and welcome everyone. In this chapter, we are going to see the verifications for OSPF Hello packets. So first of all, I would like to add couple of points here where as a prerequisite. So as you can see, this is my same topology where I have router 1 and router 2, and router 1 is configured with the IP addresses, and also it is configured with the PC's IP address also. And router 2 also configured with IP addresses, and PC's IP addresses are configured here. We have also configured the routers interfaces along with the routing protocol as well. You can see here in this OSPF process ID 1 and area 0 is running here. Make sure this OSPF process ID 1 and area 0 is running in both the routers here. So both the routers are already neighbors and they have exchanged the routing informations and everything. If I want, I can go ahead and verify the same by pinging from here to here. Any of the PCs you can ping to this, you will definitely get the response. In my example, this is my source and this is my destination here. So let us try and ping from this particular PC to this. Definitely we should be getting the response here. Let us check it out. So click on this and you see ping to 192.168.2.3 is the IP address of my destination system. Ping here, definitely you will see the response. Yes, we are able to ping the same. As you can see right now, we are able to ping to this particular destination system from this source here. That's it. This is a verification for the same. Apart from that, if you want to verify the protocol configuration, you go to this router and verify, like show IP OSPF neighbor. You see, I can see yes, there is a neighbor already established. If you want, show IP OSPF database also, it is there, of course, yes. Even the routing table, show IP route, it is also available. Correct? In this, OSPF updates are present where the communication is possible from source to destinations. Now next, there is a command of show IP protocol. See, as we know in show IP protocols, it will display you the detailed information about your OSPF process. Like process ID 1, router ID is this, and maximum path is this. 4 by default, you can have up to 16 and up to 32 in new operating system. This is a network which you have already advertised in this. And default administrative distance is 110. Make sure in OSPF, as we discussed in OSPF, you have two different type of area. You have the normal, that is a standard your normal area, and then you have a special area like stub area and NSSA. So right now your routers are running with the area 0, where the area 0 is configured with the normal, which is considered as normal, that is a standard area. So yes, that is what the information about your stub area informations. That's it for this particular. Next you have, if you want to verify the OSPF hello packets, then how you can go ahead and verify the hello packets? First of all, I need to go ahead and enable the terminal monitor. Terminal monitor is to view the log processing on the screen. So you will first do terminal monitor, and then you will have to define a command as debug IP OSPF events. Debug IP OSPF events. The moment you define the debug IP OSPF events, it will display you the background processing on the screen. See this. You see here, it will show you. See this, it is saying that OSPF has received a particular hello packet from this particular neighbor, which is running in area 0 from this serial interface, and this is the IP address of that router. So this is what you can see, OSPF hello and end of your processing as well. So OSPF hello packets you can see here in this detailed. Like that, if you want to debug any of the particular scenario like EIGRP or OSPF, you can. Make sure debug is basically used for advanced troubleshooting and view the background processing of your router on the screen. So this will be continuously keep on going here. Of course, it is very important you need to stop this particular log as well, because it will be keep on going like this. See here, keep on going. So to disable the same, you need to do this, undebug all, and then you will have to say terminal no monitor, otherwise terminal monitor will be keep on running. So I will disable the terminal monitor as well, like this. So this is how you can verify the OSPF packets in detail. So that's it for this particular lecture. Thank you. See you in the next.